Here is the app called Rover, Dog Sitters and Walkers. Book local 5-star pet care. So this is one of the biggest marketplaces for the pets. Find a sitter that will treat your pet like family. Pet care services for every dog and cat. Safety is at the heart what we do. Get detailed updates, including GPS of walks. Get photos of your pet's adventures. All personal details and payments are secured. So that's the idea. Is a number one pet sitting and dog walking app. Get trusted pet care in your neighborhood. It's available though only in US and Canada. Rover makes it easy to book pet care you can trust. So 95% of reviewed services received a perfect 5-star rating. Fast and easy for pet sitters and dog walkers too. Send photos, videos, and messages to pet owners with just a few taps. Get paid on the go. It's simple and secure with the Rover app. So yeah, pretty cool app. A lot of hundreds of thousands of ratings here. And then you can just easily create your account or just find the pet care. Like you just enter location. I think it should be mostly in United States. And then you have different types of services. You have boarding, house sitting in your home, drop-in visits, doggy daycare, dog walking, or dog training. So for example, just dog walking one time or repeat weekly. So every Tuesday and Thursday, for example, when you're at work, whatever, just selecting start date, times, your location, text, dog size, how old is your dogs, and then you just search it. And then here you have the idea, something like this. A lot of people, they say they background check every sitter. And then you have just average pricing, like, $20 per walk, $18 per $15 per walk. All right. And then you have ratings just like on Uber. You have a lot of people with a lot of clients. So you have some people who are experienced dog walkers. So for example, you just select, and then you can just go to any place and then contact the sitter. You can just see the reviews, you can see the services, you can see estimated address. That's the idea. And then you have filters. You can allow notifications. So that's how you can do it. So as you can see, you don't even need to sign up to just look at the possible services. Again, it's only available in US and Canada, so probably not available in Europe, and maybe mostly in bigger cities in US. But yeah, this is quite convenient app for your pets, so just give it a try.